Here's your free daily English news.
Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Wednesday, June 24th, 2026. Before we get into the news, let's talk about some important words first. I have 10 words for you today, words that will help you understand the story. Listen carefully. You can practice all 10 words with the link in the description. All right, let's get started. Neuron, 2 syllables. Neuron, genome, 2 syllables. Genome, migrate, 2 syllables. Migrate. Enzyme, 2 syllables. Enzyme. Cortex, 2 syllables. Cortex. Tolerate, 3 syllables. Tolerate. Mutation, 3 syllables. Mutation. Repair, 2 syllables. Repair. Mechanical, 4 syllables. Mechanical. Diversity, 4 syllables. Diversity. Now, let's get into today's story. Scientists in Japan just discovered something really surprising about how your brain was built. So here's what happened. Researchers at Kyoto University found that when your brain was developing before you were even born, new nerve cells had to move to the right place. To get there, they had to squeeze through very, very tiny spaces. And when they did that, something unexpected happened. Their DNA broke. Both sides of the DNA strand got cut. That's the most serious kind of damage you can have. Now, normally, when DNA breaks like that, it's bad news. It can cause mutations. It can even kill the cell. But here's the amazing thing. These nerve cells knew exactly what they were doing. The breaks only happened in parts of the DNA that weren't really important. And the cells fixed the damage almost right away, usually within 24 hours. The researchers watched this happen in real time by putting the cells through tiny tubes, thinner than a human hair. They could actually see the damage happening and then being repaired. When they stopped the repair process in mice, the animals had problems with balance when they grew up. So what does this mean? It means every single nerve cell in your brain might be a little bit different from the one next to it, because each one went through its own little journey of damage and repair. Your brain's story might be written right into its DNA. Pretty wild, right? Who? Who led the research team that made this discovery? Who led the research team that made this discovery? What hat? What happens to nerve cells when they squeeze through tiny spaces in the brain? What happens to nerve cells when they squeeze through tiny spaces in the brain? Where? Where was this research conducted? Where was this research conducted? When? When does the DNA repair process finish in these nerve cells? When does the DNA repair process finish in these nerve cells? Why don't these DNA breaks kill the developing nerve cells? Why don't these DNA breaks kill the developing nerve cells? How? How did the researchers watch the DNA damage happen in real time? How did the researchers watch the DNA damage happen in real time? Now let's take a quick look at what the weather's doing around the world tomorrow. Over in Manila, Philippines. High of 30 degrees, low of 26. Thunderstorms over in Bangkok, Thailand. High of 34 degrees, low of 26. Thunderstorms over in Paris, France. High of 39 degrees, low of 28. Overcast. All right, time to add a fresh word to your vocabulary. Let's jump into our word of the day. Today's word is helix. 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 A helix is a shape that goes around and around, like a spring or a staircase that twists upward. Think of a corkscrew. That's a helix. Example: the staircase spiraled upward in a perfect helix. In science, DNA is shaped like a double helix. That means two long spirals twisted together like a twisted ladder. Example: DNA's famous twisted shape is called a double helix. Here's today's question for you. Did you know that your brain cells break their own DNA on purpose? Yes or no? Drop your answer in the community post. I'd love to see what you think. Have a great one. See you next time. Bye bye.